Hello students, in this video we'll see how to solve problem 3.6.3. Problem 3.6.3 gives us a tank that has 20 liters of water in it and 5 grams of salt. A concentration of 2 grams per liter of salt mixture is flowing in at a rate of 3 liters per minute. It well mixes and the solution pours out at 3 liters per minute. We want to know how long before there's 20 grams of salt in the tank. So what we'll do is we will let x of t be the amount of salt in the tank measured in grams. Then x of 0, the amount of salt initially, is 5. Now we write down our standard differential equation. Our standard differential equation is dx dt is the concentration in times the rate in minus the concentration out times the rate out. So for us, the concentration in and the concentration out are both the same. The rate in and the rate out are the same. So the rate in is 3, the concentration in is 2, the rate out is 3, and the concentration out is the amount over the total volume, x over 20. This gives us a first order differential equation, which can be written in the form dx dt plus 3 over 20 x equals 6. And now we'll use our integrating factor. This is a linear equation, so our integrating factor over here will be e to the integral of 3 over 20 dt, which will be e to the 3 over 20 t. So if we multiply that, the left-hand side will become the derivative with respect to t of e to the 3t over 20 times x of t is equal to 6. And the 6 will be multiplied by e to the 3t over 20. And now we can integrate this from 0 up to a time t and change all the variables from t to s. Doing so, we will have x of t e to the 3t over 20 minus x of 0 is equal to 6 times 20 over 3 e, and we'll put a ds over here, and we'll change this t to an s for our dummy variable, e to the 3s over 20 from 0 up to t. 20 over 3 times 6 is 40, so this will be 40 e to the 3t over 20 minus 6 times 20 over 3, which again is 40. And so now if we rearrange this, we will have x of t times e to the 3t over 20 is equal to x of 0, which is 5. This is net minus 40. And then plus 40 e to the 3t over 20. And finally, we have x of t by multiplying by e to the negative 3t over 20 will be negative 35 e to negative 3t over 20 plus 40. And we'd like to know the time at which there's 20 grams of salt left. So what we'll do is we'll set this expression equal to 20. And if we do this, we will have negative 35 e to negative 3t over 20 is equal to negative 20, which tells us that e to negative 3t over 20 will be equal to 20 over 35, which is 4 over 7. To conclude the problem, we take the log and we multiply by 20 over 3. So we see that the final answer implies that when t is equal to negative 20 over 3, the natural log of 4 over 7, at this time, there will be exactly 20 grams of salt in the tank. Thank you very much.